Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me Tania. I hope you're all fine and doing well. Today I'm going to do a pencil sketch. Today I'm trying to do Jhope's more concept photos pencil sketch, and I saw so many artists to do it, so I thought let's do it too. And I wanted to always draw him like after he uploading, like after releasing his more photos, and I really like those photos, so I thought that let's do it. And other artists did it, so I thought let's do it too. So that's why today I'm doing it, and this will be my first time when I'm trying to do BTS as realistic portrait drawing, and the first person will be the Jhope, and I'm really happy with it because pencil sketch and before, but those were not that good and I didn't try the realistic portrait. But this is the first time that I'm doing it. I'm really excited about it, so let's start the video. But before that, if you love to watch art related videos, painting related videos, then don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. So let's start. I have already done the basic, the first layer of it. Now I'm just gonna use my 6B pencil and 10B pencil to draw to add the details. At first the layer, because you have done just the basic, so it's not gonna be look like the realistic. As much as you are gonna add the details time to time, you are gonna see the actual realistic type picture. Like just by drawing you can just put it like that, so that's why you have to keep practicing. And by practicing, if you keep doing practice, you are gonna be all right. You will be able to achieve the goal that you wanna achieve. Now I'm just applying the first layer of my silver tone. Here I'm gonna use as much tone as I can, because it's really I really want to do in this way, because this is more artistic way that I have learned. So I thought let's try it, because if this is the best way, this is the most artistic way that you can do it, and then why you should not try it and why you should not learn it. So that's why I thought let's try it and let's do it. Here I'm just doing the eyes. At first it's not gonna be look good, but as long as you will be able to add all the details, it will look good day by day. I mean step by step, by stroke it will look good. So don't worry about it that it's not looking good right now. Is drawing is something that it will take time, and don't worry about it. Just keep adding the details that you see on the picture, and keep adding it. You'll get the picture at the end of your drawing. By the way, it's my first time where I'm using, like, where I'm trying to draw BTS's realistic portrait, though it's not looking that much realistic, but it's good as on my level. Like, I'm not a pro right now, I'm still learning, so it's okay. And you will do mistakes, which is fine. If you don't do it, don't practice, then you are not gonna do mistake and you are not gonna learn anything. So mistakes are important and practice is also important. This picture is quite dark, but I tried to focus on just the face, not the other areas of the body, like the hat and the shirt. Those part will be just like that. I'm gonna just add as much details as I can on the face. Honestly, it's really amazing. It's really a fun when you try to draw a realistic portrait. Though you are not that perfect, but still you are trying it. That's the most important thing, and I'm happy with the outcome. It's looking quite good. Some people, they try so many ways to draw a realistic portrait. I have heard that if you want to do better in the art field, then you have to know how to draw properly. So I thought, let's focus on it. Let's focus on how to draw properly. Then you have to try realistic paintings and realistic portraits and those type of things. Some people use so many there are so many app that will help you to draw, but I don't like to use those because I prefer to just observe it and just draw it by myself. I don't like to draw using app or something like that. I wanna just see it and draw it. This is what I want to do, so that's why I don't use any app. I just get the reference and I start to draw. This is what I do, and this is what I like to do. Because if you are depending on a app, then you are not gonna be able to grow. That's what I think. So I thought, and this is what I like in this way, like observing by my own eyes everything, and I will do it. That's the amazing thing, and that's pretty much enjoyable. I really enjoyed the drawing process. It was really amazing. Here I am using just a 10B pencil and 6B pencil. You can use this type of pencil because in case of portrait you have to use the darkest pencil that you have, so that will be better if you use from 6B to 10B pencils. I'm really excited for his album. I'm really looking forward to it. I hope you all will support him, and Amiz, please fighting, because we you know that we break record every comeback, but now they're focusing on their solo albums, which is really great, and I want you guys to support them a lot. I hope we will be able to do it together, and let's try our best and let's do our best, and yeah, let's try to listen it all, like helping each other. And I am sure that this album gonna be a really good, this comeback will be really amazing. I'm really excited for it. I'm really excited for Jack in the Box, for Arson, and I was excited for more. Here we are about to end the process. Like, it's done, it's almost done. Now I'm just adding some last finishing touch. It's done. This is the last picture. This is how it's looking like. I'm happy with it. I'll meet you in my next video. Till then, stay safe, stay happy. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Bye.